how to turn off your profile visibility in LinkedIn so that nobody can search you. Just go on this page and click on settings and privacy. Click on visibility. Scroll down to profile discovery and visibility of LinkedIn. Change this to no, nobody. Profile discovery using email address. Profile discovery using phone number to nobody. And that's it. You can, it will be very difficult for somebody to search you online on LinkedIn. You can also edit your public profile by clicking over here so that you can restrict what all data can be seen by somebody who is not logged in to LinkedIn. And you can also change your profile viewing options to private mode so that anybody coming onto their own profile, they will know only that you only know that somebody from your company had viewed their profile. But this is not so much important. Most important things are this profile discovery. You can turn off these things and it will help you a lot. Thank you.